jar cats and stuff. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I have a giant surprise for you. Something interesting came today to the house, and I'm gonna make a video on it. And basically, guys, so basically for 1,000 subscribers, I got a box from YouTube. As you can see, it says YouTube HQ. Real. 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 YouTube HQ real. 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 Yeah. Oh, guys, I can't believe it. My 1,000 subscriber play button has actually arrived. As you can see, it says YouTube HQ real. So you know it's got to be real. So I mean, like, I'm super excited. We gotta unbox this. So what do we got in here? Oh my god, we got a slide whistle. Oh my god, guys, we got a slide whistle. You see this? We have a slide whistle. It's the whistle that you play and you slide. Okay, so now that we've unboxed the slide whistle, we gotta unbox more, guys. I'm wondering what's in here. Oh my god, there's a piece of paper. It says from YouTube. It's from YouTube, guys. You gotta believe it. It's from YouTube. Yo, 2 jar crafted stuff from YouTube HQ. Real. Oh my, it's the real YouTube HQ. I can't believe it. You are 1,000 subscriber. So play button, a wad. Oh my god. Jar crafted stuff. Congratulations. You is cool. Oh my god. Sincerely, YouTube HQ. Ral. P.S. Hello. Oh my god. So they sent me a letter, and I've been awarded a play button. I got an award, so I gotta find the play button. Oh my god, the play button. Yo, this is so cool. This is my play button for 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I got a play button for 1,000 subscribers. I gotta hang this on my wall. There we go. Now it is on my wall. That looks so good, guys. I can't believe it. It looks so good. Oh, and I think there's one more thing in here, guys. Oh my god, we got 2 sticks of gum. Tastes pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was my unboxing of my 1,000 subscriber play button. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.